If you want to download Photopea on your laptop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to install Photopea so you can use it like a desktop app instead of opening it in a browser every time. This is great if you want faster access, a cleaner workspace, and a shortcut right on your desktop or taskbar. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser. For the best experience, I recommend using Chrome, Edge, or Brave. These browsers usually handle the installation process smoothly and make it easy to add web apps to your laptop. Once your browser is open, go to photopea.com in the address bar and press enter. Photopea will load in your browser just like normal. Now that Photopea is open, look at the top menu bar inside the app. You'll see options like File, Edit, Image, and more. Click on More. This menu contains extra options, including the install feature we need. From the drop-down menu, click Install Photopea. After that, your browser will usually show a confirmation prompt asking if you want to install the app. Go ahead and click Install to confirm. This is the one-click setup that turns Photopea into a separate app on your laptop. If you don't see the option in the Photopea menu, there's another easy method you can use. Look at the far right side of your browser's address bar. You may see a small install icon, usually shaped like a monitor, with a down arrow or a plus icon. Click that icon and your browser will give you the option to install Photopea directly. This works as a quick shortcut if the menu method doesn't appear right away. Once the installation finishes, Photopea will create a shortcut on your desktop, launchpad, taskbar, or dock, depending on your device. That means you can open it just like a regular app anytime you want, without typing the website again. When you launch it, it opens in its own clean window, which is much nicer than working inside a browser tab full of other pages and bookmarks. It's important to know that Photopea still needs an internet connection to load some initial scripts and fonts, but the actual file processing happens locally on your computer using your RAM and GPU. So even though it looks and feels like a desktop app, it still keeps the convenience of being a web-based tool, and that's it. You've now learned how to download and install Photopea on your laptop the easy way. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more creative apps and editing tools next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.